Welcome to the class. In this class, we will extend our discussion of questions on races with the help of this example. On the right side of this blackboard, I have written the concepts and terminologies related to the questions on races, which are important to solve such questions. So let's solve this question. First, read the question. In a 100-meter race, A beats B by 20 meters. In another 200-meter race, A gives B a start of 20 meters. Find who wins this race and by what distance. So let's draw a simple diagram. There is a race of 100 meters. The first line says in a 100-meter race, A beats B by 20 meters. In the concept, it is written in a 100-meter race, A beats B by 10 meters. That means when A finishes the race, B is 10 meters behind. So when in a 100-meter race, A beats B by 20 meters, it means that from this we can get the speed of ratio of speeds SA to SB, as when A travels 100 meter, B travels only 80 meter because B is 20 meter behind. That means 5 by 4. Okay, but again they have a race of 200 meter. So when they have a race of 200 meter, A gives B a start of 20 meter. That means B is standing 20 meter ahead of A. Here it is written in a 100-meter race, A gives B a start of 10 meter. So that means for B the race is of 90 meter only. So when A gives B a start of 20 meter, so for B the race is of 180 meter only. For A the race is of 100 meter, for B the race is of 180 meter only. So speed of A to the speed of B is 5 by 4, and we know that the time taken by A and B is same. Time taken by both A and B is same. So the distance covered by them will be the same ratio as the time. Distance covered by A to the distance covered by B will be in the same ratio as of time. Why it is so? Because you know that distance is equal to a speed into time. So when time is same, then distance is directly proportional to speed. So that's why we write d1 by d2 or dA by dB will be equal to speed of A to the speed of B. So the thing is that when time taken by both A and B is same, the distance will be in the same ratio as the ratio of their speeds. So when A has traveled for the second race of 200 meter, when A has traveled 200 meter, how much distance B has traveled? So the distance traveled by B will be 4 by 5 into A. From this equation will be 4 by 5 into distance traveled by A. So 4 by 5 into, since A has traveled 200 meter, 5 40 into 4, that is 160 meter. So in the race of 200 meter, when A has reached the finish point, A has finished the race, B has traveled a distance of 160 meter, but since B was standing 20 meter ahead of A, and for B the race was of 180 meter only, out of which B has traveled 160 meter. That means when A finishes the race, B is 20 meter behind. This is very important point to note, that when A finishes the race, B is 20 meter behind. So find who wins this race. A wins the race. A wins the race, and by what distance? By a distance of 20 meter. By a distance of 20 meter. So we will have more example in the next class.